Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get the active developer badge on Discord in 2024. First, open the Discord app and click the plus button to create a new server. Name the server anything you like, such as Badge Test Server, and set it up. Next, go to your server settings by clicking on the server name at the top. Scroll down and enable the community option. Follow the steps to set up the community features by enabling necessary settings and agreeing to the terms. Now, open the Discord developer portal and log into your account. Click New Application and give it a name such as TestBot. Agree to the terms and click Create. In your application, go to the Bot section on the left, scroll down to Privileged Gateway Intents and enable the necessary options like Presence Intent and Message Content Intent. Save the changes. Now click on Reset Token at the top, copy the token and keep it secure. To host the bot, you can use a bot hosting service. Log into the hosting platform and create a new bot. Paste the token you copied earlier to connect the bot to the server. Follow the prompts to authorize the bot and invite it to your test server. Finally, go to the Active Developer Badge page on the developer portal and follow the steps to claim your badge. It might take up to 24 hours for the badge to appear on your profile. To keep your badge active, make sure to use your bot's commands at least once every 30 days. That's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.